With the dim region table being finished, we are getting closer to finish our star schema. So you could say that our first step here is completed. Now we need two additional tables or queries here. We need our dim age table, which will kind of follow the same logic we saw for the regions, where the region table includes all the region or country specific information. The dim age table will include any information related to our age groups that we have for our population. And after this second step, we'll of course need our fact population table, which will then include the country ID, of course, and our age group ID to be connected to these two tables. And it will include information not related to the regions or the age, like the year, the gender, or the population count itself. So these are the next steps. Steps 2 and 3 we will tackle in the next lectures. Let's start with the dim age table.